a very great welcome back to my channel to all of you. And today's video is about how you can prepare for your examination. It doesn't matter whichever examination you are going. It may be your regular school examination, or you might have been giving your board examination soon, or you are going to give NEET, or you are going to give JEE, or any competitive examination. That doesn't matter. This is a very overall wala exam preparation which you can follow for any of the examination you are going to give in your life. You understand what I mean? So like any of the examination you are going to give in your life, this is the thing. So like without delaying, let's get started with the video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, do make sure you also give it a thumbs down. And anything about this video, you can just comment me in my comment section. And what more? Let's go. This is the step 1. Here in the step 1, I have written the title syllabus. The very first step is you have to write down each and every chapter which is in your syllabus in a list manner. Like very first, for this video example, I am taking the subject as mathematics, and we have two divisions, that is M1 and M2. So like this is my very first part of M1, that is mathematics part 1. Now here I have written the chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your first step. The second step is you have to mark out the important or the difficult chapters or the chapters and just highlight them all, both, or whichever chapter it is. It could be any, like it depends on how you want them. Like important means any important, so like this is important. Next, third step is you have to make 3 columns in front of each chapter where it says ULR. U means understand, learn and revise. Like very first chapter जो होगा आपका, like आप उस chapter को आपको कुछ समझा है या नहीं. If you have any doubt, concept कोई clear नहीं हुई है, so it's all about this understanding. So there's first column, understanding. Second is learn. That very after that you have completed all the concepts of yours. तो like आपको वो concept समझ में आ चुके हैं. So like क्या आपको वो याद है? Like you can solve problems depending on it and etc. All the things comes in learn. Now learned के बाद में आता है revision. Like revision means you have completed all your notebooks, your stuff, questions, and you just have to over through this chapter. So like when you complete these 3 boxes, you have done with the chapter. This is your step 3. Now moving on the next step. ओके तो ये हमारी नेक्स्ट स्टेप है, और इस नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मैं काउंट करूँगी कि मेरे एग्जामिनेशन के लिए आज से लेके एग्जामिनेशन डे तक कितने टोटल डेज बाकी है, और मुझे उन डेज में से डेडलाइन तक कितना कंप्लीट करना है. सो हियर इट इज़ लाइक 23 डेज आर लेफ्ट एंड आई हैव द डेडलाइन ऑफ 17 डेज टू कंप्लीट ऑल द थिंग्स. Now in here I have written that how many days and how many chapters are there, and I have divided the days according to my chapters. So I have this thing. After doing your division of your chapters and your days accordingly, the next step or the thing I would prefer you to do is keep one hard chapter and one not that difficult level of chapter. Like I have marked the chapter number 2 and 3 as important chapters, so I have paired them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So like in that manner, so like it's really makes you less burdened and makes you feel calm during your examination. उसके बाद में जो like मैंने डेज डिवाइड किए हैं, यू हैव सीन कि मेरे पास 23 डेज थे और मैंने उसको 17 डेज की डेडलाइन रखी है. So like rest of the days are rest of the week, like 6 days which are remaining are in my hand. So like in this 6 days I would not prefer you to study a lot, but do your revision the best and try out 3 most important things in this 6 days. Very first, your paper presentation. Second is your time management. Like time management should be first. So like first go for your time management, calculate how much time you have and how much each question takes and all sort of things, and make sure in time management you leave last 10 minutes for checking out the paper. So do your time management accordingly. ओके आफ्टर दैट सेकंड इज योर पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन. लाइक हर एक पेपर पे प्रेजेंटेशन एक जैसा नहीं होता है, हर एक पेपर पैटर्न भी अलग होता है. तो लाइक आपका अगर राइटिंग का पेपर है सो लाइक मैथ्स के लिए प्रेजेंटेशन अलग होता है. लाइक मेन देर इज वन ऑन राइट हैंड साइड देर इज अ रफ वर्क पेज और यू यूज अ लास्ट पेज फॉर योर रफ वर्क, और it depends on how you wish to use that. Then for science you have divisions, then you have diagram writing. So like every subject and every pattern of question paper changes your answer sheet presentation. So make sure you have a very mindset of how you're going to present your paper, and do practice it 2 to 3 times with your old papers or your self-made questions, so like you have been practice a lot of it. Third thing is try to make sure that you don't spoil your handwriting in examination. That is the most important thing, क्योंकि होता है ऐसा है कि स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग से लिखते हैं and then last few pages are just like no one understands our writing. So like make sure you keep your time management a proper one. After that, for exam preparation, I would prefer that last 3 days before examination, make sure that you are not having any sort of concept doubt or you have any sort of things remaining, and just make sure that in last 3 days you just do revision and only revision of the things, no other work. Just revise the things you have been doing. Like mathematics needs a lot of practice, so like revise the very important or highlighting questions, or I would prefer you to revise the questions which are lengthy. So that's the thing, last 3 days revise lengthy questions. For English, you just have to read the summary of poems. You have to go through the chapters in English. Then it depends on SST and science. So like if you guys want that, I would also make a video about what things to revise in last 3 days of your examination. But this was for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know about more about exam preparation, do tag in the comment section. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.